In this video, I'll demonstrate how to order a Domo report. Starting on the homepage, click on Order My Domo Report. The first thing you'll do is upload your home inspection file. You can upload a PDF by dragging it into the square area or by browsing. If your file isn't a PDF or you have multiple files, contact us via chat and we'll help you. Next, enter your property's address. Our system should find it, but if not, you'll see an option to manually add an address. After that, there's an optional section where you can tell us anything you want about this inspection. For example, if you want to make sure we address a tree in front of your yard, tell us. Then create an account. We need your contact information for two reasons. First, we know your purchase is time sensitive, so we may email or call you to resolve any issues quickly. Second, we'll send you an email and text message when the Domo report is ready so you can look at it right away. You can also share your Domo report with other people. Simply add their email and level of access you want to provide. Owners can manage sharing, upload documents, and make other changes. Contributors can also upload and manage documents, but not manage sharing. And viewers can simply see everything. There's a button at the top of the Domo report to manage sharing later if you want to do it then. Click Continue and enter your billing address and payment information. Once that's done, click on Place Order. And that's it. We'll email you a receipt and we'll get to work on your Domo report right away. That's how you order a Domo report.